viewers, welcome back to our channel Light to Crack Math. In today's video, we are going to discuss the solution for exercise 1.4. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. I've given the links of the previous videos in the description box. Do check it out. The first question given to us is, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. The first number is 2 minus root 5. So, since it is the difference of rational and irrational number, so you have 2 as your rational and root 5 is irrational, right? So, the difference will also definitely be an irrational number. Second one, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. So, if you're going to solve this, your plus root 23 and minus root 23 would get cancelled and you will be left out with 3. So 3 is a rational number. Therefore, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23 is also rational. Third question is 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. So your 2 root 7 by 7 root 7, you will have to multiply 2 into root 7 and 7 into root 7, right? So your root 7 and root 7 can be cancelled and you are left out with 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is a rational number. Therefore, 2 root 7 by 7 root 7 is also rational. The fourth question is 1 by root 2. Since the quotient of a rational number and irrational number is an irrational number, 1 by root 2 is also irrational. That is, when you divide a rational number by an irrational number, the quotient which you will be getting will definitely be an irrational number. The fifth question is 2 pi. So 2 pi is a product of rational and irrational number. So a product of rational and irrational number is again a irrational number. So your 2 pi is also an irrational number. The second question is, simplify each of the following expressions. 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. So you will have to multiply your 2 with this 3 plus root 3. And then again multiply this root 2 also with this 3 plus root 3. Okay, so when you do like that, again you can rewrite in the next step as 2 into 3 plus root 3 plus root 2 into 3 plus root 3. So again now you'll have to multiply this 2 with this 3 and this 2 with this root 3. Similarly, root 2 with this 3 should be multiplied and root 2 with root 3 has to be multiplied. So when you do like that, you will be getting 6 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 6. So now the second question, 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. So again 3 into this one is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. So it is 3 square minus root 3 the whole square. So 3 square is 9 and root 3 the whole square is 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. The third question is root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. So this is a plus b the whole square formula. So a square plus b square plus 2 into ab. So now root 5 the whole square is 5. Root 2 the whole square is 2. And root 5 into root 2 is root 10. And 2 into root 10 you have got. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 root 10. The fourth question is root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. This is also a minus b into a plus b. So it is a square minus b square. So it's 5 square minus root 2 the whole square. So root 5 the whole square is 5. Root 2 the whole square is 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Recall, pi is defined as the ratio of circumference, say C, of a circle to its diameter, say D. That is pi equal to C by D. This seems to contradict the fact that n is an irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? So, we measure the length of a line with a scale or with any other device. We only get the approximate value. That is, you get C and D both are irrational. Therefore, your C by D is also irrational, because irrational number by an irrational number gives you an irrational number. So, hence the value of pi is also irrational. Thus, there is no contradiction in the saying that it is irrational. The fourth question given to you is represent root 9.3 on the number line. So you will have to represent the number root 9.3 on a number line. So first draw a line segment AB of measure 9.3 units and then extend it to C such that your BC is 1 unit. So now find the midpoint of AC and mark it as O. So now draw a semicircle taking O as the center and AO as the radius. Draw BD, which is perpendicular to AC. So now draw an arc taking B as the center and BD as the radius, meeting AC. So produced at E, that is, it should be meeting at E. Okay, such that your BE is equal to your BD. The reason why it will be equal is it is the radius of that circle, right, or that part of the circle. So now this BD is there, right, this BD and this BE. The measure of this BD and BE will be equal to root 9.3 units. So the point E represents the number. Fifth question, rationalize the denominator of the following. 1 by root 7. So 1 by root 7 has to be multiplied by root 7. So when you are going to multiply, you will have to multiply both the denominator as well as the numerator. So it is 1 into root 7 by root 7 into root 7. So root 7 into root 7 will be 7 and 1 into root 7 will be root 7. So the answer is root 7 by 7. So the second question is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. For this you will have to multiply the conjugate. That is, you will have to multiply your numerator and denominator by root 7 plus root 6. So 1 into root 7 plus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6. Whereas in the denominator you can see it is of the form a minus b into a plus b form. So you will have to write it as a square minus b square form. That is root 7 the whole square minus root 6 the whole square. So it is 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So it's root 7 plus root 6 is your answer. The third question given to you is 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So again you will have to multiply the conjugate. So conjugate is nothing but root 5 minus root 2. So again 1 into root 5 minus root 2 would be root 5 minus root 2. The denominator is again of the form a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So it's root 5 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. So root 5 minus root 2 by 5 minus 2. So root 5 minus root 2 by 5 minus 2 is 3. So it's root 5 minus root 6 by 3. The fourth question is 1 by root 7 minus 2. So again multiply by the conjugate, root 7 plus 2. So when you do so, you get 7 minus 4, because root 7 the whole square is 7, root 2 the whole square is, here you don't have root 2. It is 2. So 2 the whole square is 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So you get root 7 plus 2 by 3. With this, we come to the end of this video. If this video was informative, like our video and share it with your friends. If you haven't yet subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel without fail and click on the bell button to receive notifications of our future videos.